feeling love, now she doing all my drugs, yeah, I'm ballin' in the club like lil' mama in my eyesight. She gon' roll with me tonight, we connect like Wi-Fi, yeah, I'm on the table.
What up, YouTube world? I feel like I haven't been out for a while, man. It's Saturday. Let me take the bike for a scud. It's been a minute since I've been out. I feel like I've forgotten how to ride. Now, as you've just seen, depending on where I put it in the video, you've just seen the Ruroc 3.0 that came through. Shout out to Ruroc for sending me the helmet back, and also they sent me some extra goodies. Oh shit, I'm in the wrong gear. When I get to 150 subscribers, I'm gonna give those away. I think there's like 2 or 3 things in there. I'll send them out to you lot. Is she a dickhead? Fucking idiot, retard. So Ruroc gave me something and I'm gonna pass it forward. What I'm gonna need you to do is do the obligatory like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's get to 150 subscribers. Oh, slow down. Right, okay, well this gets boring from here on onwards. More seat time the better. I was itching to come out. I think I've got that new biker itch where you got nowhere to go, you got nothing to do, but you just want to get out on the bike. Whether it goes or not, let me know in the comments below. Hello. Jeez, visor's all steaming up. It's like the scene in Titanic in my visor. Jesus, I don't know if you can see it in the mirror, but I got the engine hawk jacket. I got my other helmet on because I've obviously had this GoPro set up on there. I couldn't be asked to change it over. I might turn this into a semi-ride, a semi-review of the Ruroc helmet, because I've taken that for a spin around the block just to see what it's like. Excellent bit of kit, the Shockwave. Oh shit, I'm gonna fall over. So I've been driving around the streets for the last hour with the Shockwave on, and I've been having a party in my own head. Make sure you ride safe. Helmet wise, it's light as hell, it's comfortable. Now what I done was the scratched one, like you all saw, I sent it back and I requested for them to give me the same helmet but in a large. Now I've been talking to some of you guys in the comments and you are all asking the question, what's it like fit wise? Now the large, it goes on a lot easier, but there's a lot more space in the helmet now. There's a little bit too much room in there. I'm still debating on what to do. I think I might have to return it and go for a medium again, which is long-winded. I know. Get it in a medium again and just live with that, because the large is a little bit too big. Hello, Maserati. Jesus. What am I doing? 4th gear, 36 miles an hour. Outside the temple, quick headbang. Then religious ones there. I like the whole audio side of things, but I'm just there 100% with it, not for near enough 500 quid plus. I think what I need to do is get the medium back and live with it for a little while and then give a proper review. So at least I've had it for a month. Gas, come on. I'm just itching to get rid of the car and jump straight back on the motorbike, even though I ain't really got nowhere to go, no errands to run. It's just be out on the roads and get some seat time in, really. It's been a while. It feels like it's been years. It's been like I think it's been like a week. That feels like an eternity for me. That 1 week of not being on the bike because the weather was shit. Oh, bumpy as fuck. What is happening around here? Alright, no one there. No, that was a bit bumpy. It's saying, what is this clown doing? So if you lot know, this is the jewelry quarter, or the back end of the jewelry quarter I should say. Give you a little view of the bike. Turn the indicator off first, that would help. This is her in all her glory. Let me take it off and see, maybe you can see it first. And she's running in 100 and something miles on the clock currently. This exhaust right here, it's working out, to be honest. It's not bad. Lex Tech. I've had quite a few compliments saying the bike looks bigger than it actually is, size wise and engine wise. We take those compliments. I'll say we run with them, but clearly not. We'll ride with them. My memory card's running out, so that's brilliant. We'll hit the streets, make our way back home, and see if the camera dies. The camera dies. Make sure the kickstand's down, which it is. This is a nice little area. Be careful now. Like a professional. Feel like a professional, but nowhere near. Nowhere near. Wait there. This is the gassy bit about having a motorbike, when you can just cut through all this BS. Because normally that would be me sitting in this traffic, but not today. Actually, maybe today, because that's a bit booky. Yeah, I think I might hold fire. I spoke too soon. Shame, shame. Aston Martin. Not a fan of this. That's the fun bit about having a bike, bypass all the BS, and now we can go. Safety and all that. Make sure it's still recording. Any time of day. Bare traffic, morning, noon or night. Come on. What the hell is that? Shout out to everyone commenting, asking header questions. I appreciate it. Keep it interactive, keep the comments coming, keep the likes up. This is the beginning of my bike journey basically, and then actually now I'll say no more. We'll leave it there. I know I've been MIA for the past week, but don't blame me, blame the weather. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. Gotta be careful here. Oh, indicators on. What a retard. The infamous Grove pub. For those who know, you already know. The flick of this wrist.
Look at the flick of that wrist.
After a little while, it gets a bit painful. I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. And we're back home safe. Deuces.
I'm an icon, man.
girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.